It is another gorgeous day in Hoschton, Georgia, and today I'm at the beautiful 55 and over community Del Webb. I'm here because I'm checking on a house that's being built for one of my clients, but I thought I'd do another video. I have a video that I've done here before where I tour the model houses and the amenities, but this video is going to be a little different. Today we're going to focus on the grounds, and they are beautiful. And to get the best views, we are going to use my brand new drone. And I'm hoping that it gives you a better feel of just how beautiful this community is. So if you're thinking about retiring in Georgia and are interested in a 55 and older community, you are definitely not going to want to miss this video. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Tanya Cristiano, and I'm a local realtor here in Georgia, and I specialize in 55 and older communities. I have a great relationship with this builder, which I leverage for my clients, not only to get you the best possible deal, but also to make the process as smooth as possible. I have a lot of new construction experience, and I absolutely love it. This builder, along with most new construction builders here in Georgia, really value the buyer-agent relationship. So our commissions are completely covered by this builder at this time. So having me help you through this process actually is of no cost to you. So if you're moving to Georgia and have any interest in building a new home, whether it be with this builder or another, I want to be your realtor. So please don't hesitate to call, text, email me, whatever you're comfortable with. All my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. So without further ado, let's go fly. If you love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. So what do you think about this community? I mean, it sure is beautiful here. The landscaping is top notch. Hoschton must be at a high elevation because every time I come up here, there's just this really beautiful breeze, and it's already June, so it's really nice up here. I love it. There is no shortage of trees. There's a beautiful, lush green landscape. You know, Del Webb is all about enjoying nature and staying active and having fun. If you are ready to retire and want to live your best retirement life, enjoying every day, This community is a great option. And honestly, it's only one of Georgia's beautiful communities here. We have quite a few of these gorgeous 55 and older communities to choose from. And I'd love to be the one to help you find the one that's best for you. So that's a wrap for this tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're thinking about making the move to Georgia, or if you're interested in this beautiful neighborhood, I would love to be your realtor and help you make a smooth transition to the home of your dreams. Please reach out to me. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.